Welcome everyone. My name is Bill Kinahan. I'm a pre-sales solution engineer with Velosio, and I'm here to talk to you today about our Dynamics 365 Sales Express offerings, which are a fixed fee offering that allow you to get up and running on Dynamics 365 sales quickly and efficiently. Now, these days, as we've come out of the pandemic, things have changed in the business world most certainly. So the predictions are that 50% of travel will be gone. So, meaning that I'm working remotely, I'm working disconnected, I am actually relying on tools to help me with my job. Things like CRM, things like Teams, things like Outlook, and other collaboration types of tools. With that comes more distractions, right? There's a lot going on in each one of our lives, and the ability to have a system that is tracking that information for us so we're not rehashing, going back and looking at a video, all those types of things to get up to speed on a deal. It's actually captured in CRM and allows you to capture that information very quickly and very easily. And again, with the change in travel and people being remote, stakeholders can be anywhere, right? So the ability to engage with them and the ability to stay in touch with them with a tool that is simple is of the utmost importance now. So Microsoft Dynamics, the portion we're concentrating on is sales. Now, the idea here is the whole ecosystem of Dynamics is around the middle here, right? We have marketing, there's customer service, there's all of these other different pieces that go along with sales. So again, the ease of collaboration allows you to cross-functionally work with those other teams through the sales app, through the marketing app, through customer service, field service, ERP, and again, get a full picture of that customer. Around the outside here, you see all the tools that are involved, right? All the Microsoft technologies that allow for that interaction, whether it be Teams, whether it be the Office suite, whether it be Power BI, whether it be an automation with Power Automate. All of these tools enhance the solution and allow you to work more efficiently throughout the day. Now, why Sales Express? So Sales Express is an offering that Velosio has come up with to allow for a rapid deployment. Now, that deployment is fixed fee, so it's in a box. Okay, so you know what you're getting as far as scope, and it's really the enablement of that sales process within the system with some other things that we'll touch on in a second. Get you up and going very quickly, right? It allows you to get a team on board using the system quickly, and then maybe after that you want to enhance it or build more into it. You can most certainly do this. This is the exact same product that you could deploy a very complex system with, right? It's just scaled back to get you up on your feet and get working with it quickly. Also includes training, so training of those power users, training of an administrator to administer the system, and then of course go live support as you take it out to the team and any questions, any interactions with the team that they need answered, we're there to help you as well. Now the sales process, that is one of the key components within Express. It allows you to go from a lead, qualify that lead, go through an opportunity, maybe a qualification within the opportunity, and then hopefully close that opportunity or win that opportunity. So that whole cycle is covered within the Sales Express. And again, this is an example of it, right? This process could be whatever you want to make it. So if you have multiple steps in here, if there are different naming conventions, all of that type of stuff would be handled within here as well. The sales outcomes, so that you get from deploying something like this. These are just a variety of them. There could be others, right, depending on your team, but you become more reactive to clients. You increase your sales effectiveness because they're working from one system. Your lead quality that coming in gets qualified easier, right? Easier and more effectively. The collaboration between teams, right? The ability to work between teams with using Microsoft Teams in the tool, again, improves relationships. All of these pieces go hand in hand with Sales Express and Dynamics 365 sales. So why don't we take a look at the system to give you a little bit of an example of some of the things you might see. So for an example, dashboarding, right? Dashboarding is part of the Sales Express offering as well. So you get to create your own dashboards. Now with Dynamics, there is some dashboards that come out of the box, but maybe you want to tweak them or create some of your own. This is an example of open opportunities and leads and open activities that a user might come in and look at first thing in the morning. That's again could be where they start their day. So that is included in the Sales Express, where you again get to configure those dashboards. On the right hand side, fairly new feature, the Microsoft Teams integration. So the ability to actually chat back and forth within Dynamics using Microsoft Teams. So that again, that collaboration between teams or a colleague in regards to an account or a contact or an opportunity or a lead within the system. Very important. It saves me from jumping out to another application, and I can again collaborate right within Dynamics. Lead management, right? The ability to manage my lead, whether that comes in from a trade show or a lead list or a website, wherever it might be, the configuration of this lead area. So the ability, the facilitation of how do I get this lead moving forward into the pipeline. Along with leads comes opportunity management, right? The management of your sales cycle. So you can see we've been through qualify, we've been through develop, we're now in propose, and hoping to move this forward into the one category. Now, all of this data that you see on the screen can be figured for your organization as well. So activities, the different demographic information, the things that are important about opportunities to you can be configured so you can see them in the system. Now, a couple things that exist outside of like the core CRM is like the integration in Outlook as well, right? So this being the Outlook app, so you have the ability to reference data from within Outlook that is CRM data. So you can see on the right-hand side, I've got Jack Johnson, Count Tura. This is based off an email that has come in from Jack. Imagine me being able to create something on the fly from here, create a new lead that has come in, create a new opportunity that's come in from an existing client. All those capabilities are part of the Outlook interface. So you have the ability to, again, push that out within the Sales Express offering and have your team up working on Outlook. And the last one I'll touch on is the ability actually to have mobile too. So the mobile side of things, the ability to have a fully deployed mobile solution for your team. So not only are they using Outlook, but they're actually utilizing the mobile solution as well. So our Dynamics 365 Sales Express packages are really made up of these two areas. So we've got Premium and we've got Premium Plus. Now the Premium being a scaled back version, okay? Premium Plus being more like a true deployment where we're walking through more of a methodology with you. But you can see the changes between the two of them. As I mentioned, the Premium is a little bit scaled back. It does have Outlook integration, has Teams integration, has mobile configuration in there as well. But all the hours in regards to process automation, the number of changes is scaled back in that offering. The Premium Plus is, again, as I mentioned, just a bigger offering compared to Premium. So allows for more changes to the system, more training in the system. It also includes the installation and configuration of standard Sales Insights. Sales Insights being Microsoft's base AI solution, so the ability to track how opportunities get assistance from the system in regards to an opportunity coming due or something that's past due, those kinds of things that allow you to, again, automate the system as you see fit. So I hope that gave you a feel for how Sales Express can help you. Please reach out to your account executive if you have any questions. Thank you.